Hi, it's Gene with DentRepairNow.com. Today we've got a 2014 Chevy Silverado with a pretty good dent in the door. The body shop wanted to put a skin on it. The insurance company wants to just conventionally repair it. We're going to try to repair it with paintless dent removal. Thanks for watching. All right, so we got a 2014 Chevy Silverado here. The door got opened into a pole, and the first body shop he took it to wanted to put a door skin on. The insurance company just wants to write it for repair and bondo it and end up painting about half of the truck. We're going to do this repair using paintless dent removal. So there you go. There she is, all finished up.